Hello everyone, Eduardo Gulfan here, and to this video guys, I am going to show you on how to create a simple database from scratch using Microsoft Access. From the introduction of Microsoft Access, creating tables, queries, forms, and reports. And the last guys will be the migration of data to SQL Server. So if you are new to this channel and wants to learn more about Microsoft Access, then guys, you are in the right channel. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you will be notified for our upcoming videos. So what is Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access is a database management system or DBMS, and it is a drag and drop database, a standalone database which is allow users to create and manage databases, design tables, queries, forms, and reports, and it automates tasks using macros and VBA. And essentially, it is a user-friendly tool for organizing, storing, and working with data, especially in business context. So now guys, let us create the database. So here in this tab, let us type Access. Make sure that you have installed your Microsoft Access. Here in my computer, I have the version 2003 and also the latest. So I will use the latest one. And here we go. So by the way, we have existing template which is your guide if you want to use this, and since this is a tutorial from the scratch, so I will use the blank database, and we can rename this, for example, product database, and then the default location is in the drive C under user and documents. But if you want to change this, then you can change. And if you're okay with this, then you can click this create. And here we go guys. So this is the landing page. We have this menu at the top. This is the home. So this is like in Excel, so I will not explain further. And then we have this create. So create tables, queries, forms, and reports, as well as the codes, VBA and macros. And then we have also a menu for external data. If you want to use external data or external source, we have choices here. We can use the Excel, HTML, and also this one, the text file. And if database, Microsoft itself, we can use this one, SQL Server. So later on, I will show you, maybe in the next part of this video, and then Azure database, and also this one, DBs file. So sample of DBs file, if you are in the Philippines and you are using the BIR database like the Pax Pro, the battery lift, the alpha list, so you can connect their database in the Microsoft Access. And then online services, the SharePoint, and also other one, the ODBC. So if we use SQL, then we will use the ODBC. I have a separate video about this. I have an existing video which you can watch also. I use MySQL for this. Next is you can export your data to especially Excel. So this is the main guys, in also text format, RTF, and then PDF, and also in other database, Word merge, and also here this sample. And then also we have database tools, compact and repair database. I also use this one, so to minimize the capacity of the database. And also this is also important, especially if you encountered some minor errors or system errors, so it can help guys. And then also if you want to reset the auto number, so this compact and preferred database can help you to automatically reset your auto number. And then also the BBE, the relationship, this is for our queries guys. This is a part of also of our video. Then analyze. So this is important if you are new in Microsoft Access, because it will help you, or it will suggest you what data type you need to put in your text box and also move data. If you have decided to split your database to SharePoint or to have a back end and front end, you can use this one. And then um, help. Okay, I will not explain it. Then now let us start with the creation of the table. Okay, I will close this. Then I will start creating a table design. We will create a product database. So the first field is product ID. Okay, and then next is product name. Next is unit of measure, and then purchase cost, and then retail price. What else? Category. Then expiry date. Then picture. So this one. And then for the data type, I will use the auto number. Okay. And then product name. The product name, this is okay, short text, but the field size is 50. I think this is long enough, so I will change this to 35. By the way, guys, the default character for the short text is 225 or 255 characters, but in my computer, in my client settings, I changed this to 50. So unit of measure, I think 10. And then purchase cost, the data type should be currency. And then change to standard. Retail price, again, change to currency, and then standard. Then the category, it's okay. Then category, let me change this to 25. Expiry date, this is date and time. Okay. Then picture, I will use the attachment, but later on I will change this to short text, because guys, if we export this data to SQL has no attachment file, so we can get or we can encounter an error if we use this kind of the type. But as of now, we will use this. Okay, so this product ID will be our primary key or the unique, and then close. Okay, save. So product master list, then hit OK. Here we go. So open again, enter. So sample tomato. Okay, kilos. Then the purchase cost is $15, and then the retail price is $18. Category, this is fruits, tomato fruits. Then expiry date, for example, 31, and that's it. So this is how to add a data in the table, but this is not recommended. That's why we need the form. So to create a form, let's close this. Click this and then go to create menu, then here in forms. By the way, we have many options. We can use multiple or the continuous form, the datasheet type, the split form, and also the modal. But what I need is this one, the form. If you click this, then automatically the form is being created, and then all you have to do is to adjust according to what you want. So let me see. Okay, this one, but it does not looks good, so that's why I will change the format. Okay, select here the form property, this one, select here, and then go to other in the property sheet. Then I will choose yes, and then I will go to the format, then auto center I will set to yes, then record selector I will change to no, and in the scroll bar, neither. Okay, then let's try. Close, then open again. Here we go. So this is how it looks. Then we will make this beautiful. By the way, I will remove this from the layout so that I can move in different place. Okay, so something like this, and then I will change the label, put a space. Okay, and also this one. Okay, now I will save. Okay, so if you want to add a picture, click this, then add. Okay, tomato. Okay, this one, then okay, here we go. So if we add again, product name, carrots, kilos, purchase cost 20, then the retail price is 25, category vegetables, expiry date is 7/31, add. Okay, okay, so if we navigate, okay, I will show you how to change this unit of measure. We can change this into drop down list because it takes time. So to change, go to the design view, then click this, then right click, change to combo box, and then in the data for the source type, let us choose the value list. Okay, this one, because there are three options, and we will use this value list, and then the value that we will put is like pieces, kilos, dozen, box, etc. No? Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we have now this one. So let's add another one. So mango. Oops. As you can see, guys, the cursor will move to purchase cost and instead of a unit of measure. So we will rearrange this one. So that's the disadvantage if we change, but it's not a problem, guys. We can set this. So for example, right click and then tab order. So tab order, our first field is the product ID, the next is product name. Okay, product name, then unit of measure. So now hit OK. Okay, mango, unit of measure is kilos, then 10, 15, category. So in category, guys, we can also change this into combo box, but in this case we will create a table for this, not a value list. So let's close this first. Yes, then we will create a table for the category. So for example, category ID, then category description. So category ID, auto number, and this is a primary key, and then the category description is 35. 35 is enough. Then save category list. Okay, now let's go back to our product master list form, then go to the design view, then for our category, change this to combo box, then click again, then we will the source type is table or query, so this is good. Then let us select these three dots, guys. Then we will select the category list. This is the table that we have created. Then bring down the category description. Okay, yes. So let's see. Okay, there's no data, so we will put a data, guys, in our category. So for example, fruits, second is vegetables, seafoods, beverages or wine. Then what else? Canned goods. Okay, close. We will open again. Okay, now okay, this is the category that we have created. We have inserted in our category list. So every time we put here in this table, it will automatically um, link to this category list. So mango is fruits. Okay, expiry date is 7/5 or 7/8. Then okay, add picture. By the way, you can add also a PDF. You can add an Excel file, any file. Okay. Then after this one, guys, we will add a control button. So let us add a button. So let's start with the navigation. So first, I will click finish. Okay. Edit another one, the previous record. Then next is next, and also the last record. Here we go. So I will align this one at the top, then again align at the left. So this is it. Then I will change the format of this button to, okay, you can select, guys, it's up to you. And then also the format, the edge of your command button. So in my case, I like this one, the square. And I love to adjust. Okay, so okay, adjust to have more space. So let's try, guys. Okay, next, okay, next, then first record, last record. Okay, and then add button. Let us add a add button. So record operation, add, next, and then in this navigation button I use the picture, but right now I will use the text. Okay, add, and then I will put this kind of name. Sorry, add button. Then next is delete. Okay, delete. Next is del. Okay, I finish. Again, I will align at the top. Then the format is, okay, same with this. You can adjust. Then okay, for example, let us add a new record. Click this. Okay, and then what if you want to delete this one? Click delete. Okay, here we go. And then now let us find, lastly, guys, we will insert a text box, a combo box rather. Okay, combo box. Sorry, this one. Combo box, which is to find a record based on the form. Okay, select this, find a record, and then you can select the fields that you want to show up. Okay, I need this. Then I want to show the ID, and then I will adjust. You can adjust, guys. Then next, you can change to lookup. Okay. Then okay, here we go. Center. So find carrots. Okay, automatically change tomato. And then as you observe, guys, there's no header. So click this and then go to format. Then for the column heads, change this to yes. Okay. Carrots. So since we don't need this navigation bar, we will take out it. We will remove. So navigation button, no. Okay. Then let's try again. Okay. Let us add what else? Banana. Banana is per kilo. So 20, 23. Okay, the category. We will change this. Tab order. The unit of measure. Then the next is retail price. Then what is the next? Retail price, then category. Okay, this one. Here we go. So 20. So 23. Category. Press A for banana. This is fruits. Then expiry is 81 or 82. And then let us add banana. And okay. So our record, this one. So guys, in my next video, we will create a report, and also I will show you on how to filter the data using queries. So this is enough for today's video. If you have some questions, feel free to comment it down below, and I will try my best to answer that one. So once again, thank you, and see you to my next video.